MashaAllah. Coming up next, we have a wonderful drama performance by the talented students of Al Hidayah Residential School. This act reflects their hard work, creativity, and the values they stand for.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Adnan, I see some concern on your face. What's the matter?
Walaikum assalam, brothers. Walaikum assalam, brother Ahmad. We are worried about our son Salim. We want him to receive both Islamic education and modern education. But most of the school focus only on one aspect. We don't want to compromise on either.
Yes, we want him to have a strong Islamic values, but at the same time, he should also excel in science, mathematics, and technology. We are struggling to find a school that balances both.
That is indeed a valid concern. Have you sought guidance from our Imam? Perhaps he know about an institution.
That's a great idea. Imam Sahab already left for his home today. Let us visit the masjid tomorrow and seek his advice.
Okay, assalamu alaikum.
The next day, these parents visit the local masjid imam and meet Imam Sahib after the prayer.
Assalamu alaikum, Imam Sahab. Imam Sahab, we need your guidance on an important matter.
Of course, tell me how I can help you.
We are looking for a school that provides both Islamic and modern education under one roof. We want our son to become a Hafiz, but we also want him to have a knowledge of science, technology, and other modern subjects.
MashaAllah. And dunya. A perfect institution for you. Al Hidayah Residential School. Al Hidayah campus in Badlapur.
Really, what makes this school special?
Al Hidayah campus is an excellent institution where students are nurtured with Islamic values. While receiving top quality contemporary education, they offer Hifz programs, Islamic studies, and psychological counseling to ensure the well-being of the students.
That sounds wonderful, but what about the extracurricular activities and well-being?
They focus on holistic development. The school provides sports, personality development programs. They aim to produce well-rounded individuals who can contribute to society in meaningful ways.
This is exactly what we are looking for. Where can we find more details?
You can visit Al Hidayah campus in Badlapur. You can visit Al Hidayah campus in Badlapur or check their website www.alhidayahcampus.com. You can even meet faculty to see their excellent facilities firsthand.
Jazakallah khair, Imam Sahib. This is truly an answer of our prayers.
May Allah bless your child with success in both the words. Ameen.
Tumma ameen.
Now the parents come to visit Al Hidayah campus and they are welcomed by the director and one staff.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Welcome to Ali Daya campus. It's a great pleasure to have you here. Please have a seat.
We have heard great things about this institution from Imam Sahab and wanted to see it ourselves.
MashaAllah, you have come to the right place. Here we integrate modern education with Islamic wisdom and knowledge so that our students be excellent in both the aspects of life.
Can you tell us more about academic structure?
Of course, let's start our tour. Our staff, Maulana Abu Jais, Maulana Tausif, and Faraz sir will help you further. Once again. Can you please send Maulana Abu Jais sir, Maulana Tausif sir and Faraz sir to the office? We have an inquiry. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Please come with me.
They walk towards the Islamic studies section.
Myself, Maulana Tausif Qasmi. This is where students begin their journey with Islamic studies, learning the Quran, Hadith, and Islamic history. We have dedicated teachers who ensure strong religious foundations. We also have well-structured Hifz program where students can opt in for memorizing full Quran by heart under the guidance of experienced Ustad.
Now they proceed to the modern education section.
Myself, Abu Jas Kasmi. Here we have our modern education facility where students excel in mathematics, science, English and social studies. We have highly educated teachers who ensure that students meet global academic standards.
Now they head to the science laboratory.
Let's meet our science mentor, Mr. Faraz sir, who will give information about our science lab as well as our mess.
Myself, Faraz sir. This is our well-equipped science lab where students are conduct experiment and develop critical thinking, skills in physics, chemistry and biology.
Now they walk towards the mess.
Nutrition is crucial for learning, so we provide quality food in our mess, ensuring a balanced and healthy diet for our students.
Now they move towards the dormitory.
Let's meet our Tarbiyat in charge, Maulana Shafiq Sahab, who will give information about our hostel.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Our spacious hostel provides a comfortable and disciplined environment, ensuring that students feel at home while they stay here.
Now they walk outside to the playground.
I want you to meet our physical trainer Kari Jasim Sahab and football coach Mr. Shoaib sir.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself, Jasim sir. You know that physical activity is essential. So, we have vast playground where students participate in sports, fitness activities and team building exercises.
Our students actively participate in various sports, fostering teamwork and discipline. Their dedication has led to remarkable achievements, particularly in the DSO competition, where our football team reached the district level quarterfinals. They also performed exceptionally well in the other tournaments, including the Reformation Cup Mumra, organized by the youth wing of Jamaat Islami, where they reached the semi-finals, and the Alim Society tournaments at Anjuman Urdu High School, where they secured victory in the final match. Beyond football, our students have excelled in volleyball, skating and taekwondo, consistently showcasing their skill in other DSO and other prestigious competitions.
Finally, they reach the masjid.
Let's meet our Diniyat in charge Mufti Yusuf Sahab.
Assalamu alaikum Mufti Sahab.
Wa alaikum assalam. And here is the heart of our campus, the masjid, where students gather for prayer, religious discussion and spiritual growth. It helps them stay connected to their faith.
Can you arrange for us to meet the institute's chairman?
Yes, of course. You can meet the chairman of this institute, Dr. Syed Kamal Anzar sir. Please come with me to the office.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Please have a seat.
Sir, what inspired you to establish Al Hidayah Residential School and how does it integrate modern education with Islamic culture?
The establishment of Al Hidayah campus was inspired by the belief that modern education and Islamic culture must go hand in hand. History proves that Muslims once led the world with knowledge, justice, and excellence guided by the Quran and Hadith. However, over time, neglecting our heritage led to our decline. Recognizing this, we felt our urgent need to revive our educational legacy while proving Islamic culture and preserving our Islamic culture. With this vision, Abu Saad sir and I founded Al Hidayah campus with just 65 students. 5 acres of land, and a dedicated team of 6 staff members. Abu Saad sir was the driving force behind this initiative, and although he is no longer with us, his dream still lives on. Inshallah, Al Hidayah was not just a school, but a step toward a future university aimed at empowering our community. Despite challenges, we proved that modern education integrated with Islamic culture is not just possible, but essential for the revival of our ummah. Al Hidayah aspires to produce scientists, doctor, engineer, and scholar who will serve the nation with sincerity and justice, inshallah.
This is everything we wanted for Salim. How can we enroll him?
You can start admission process today. We will guide you through all the steps.
Alhamdulillah, this is the institution we have been searching for. We are grateful for this opportunity.
Inshallah, Salim will have a bright future with us. May Allah bless him with success in this world and hereafter.
The scene ends with the family feeling relieved and happy, knowing that they have found the perfect school for their son.